Hello and welcome to our Dolly Advent collaboration. Each day in the lead up to Christmas, I'll be opening a new surprise gift from either Jay from J Dolls UK, Marna from Dolls Rescued, or Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley. Please check out each of their channels too, as they'll be opening daily surprise gifts, and it could be from me. Their links are in the description. Hi there, today is day 13 of our Dolly Advent collaboration. So let's have a look and see what surprise gift I'll be opening today. A rummage. And I've got something from J Dolls UK today. Let's see what it is. Oh, that's very pretty, Jay. Okay, we have, I see. I thought it was a hair clip, but it's a hair band. Oh, that's lovely. Very nice and soft. Oh, lovely colours. We've got a white rose with green leaves. They're felt and it's on a lovely elasticated headband. So that will fit a Blythe doll really nicely. Oh, that's very sweet. Gosh, thank you so much, Jay. And I hope you're having fun opening these surprise gifts as well. I think it's been great fun. Well, thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment. Let me know what you thought of today's surprise gift and take care. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.